Look, it's A Trader with A Live Trading Show, market open to market close. A Trader is going to A Trader Cave to make professional profits while having fun all day. Come join them, and welcome to A Trader Show, a live trading experience.
I'm A Trader. We're talking about news traders today. Welcome to my Trader Cave. This is where I like to hang out and do my best trading work. When we talk about news traders, we're talking about a fundamental trading strategy. This fundamental trading strategy seems to be well known since we all read the news and maybe make decisions from that. If you're out there in a just a fun trading experience, you see some news and you trade from it. Well, this is how really to get those meat and potatoes, how those news traders truly make some real money. When you're getting into news trading, you have to realize that there's 7 milliseconds after the information comes out till it gets to the floor. Once it gets to the floor, it gets traded on it. Then that information comes back home to us. We need to understand that even though we may have an auctioneer or we're reading or possibly there's somebody reporting on the news, there could be bias in it. There could be just complete, you have to write it up. There has to be a look over before it gets reported. There is that lag time before it gets back to us at home. Now, I understand and respect news trading strategies, and I understand where the money is even from an at-home position. So we want to get through, we want to look, in order for us to be good technical traders, we need to know how to fundamentally trade as well. To fundamentally trade a certain instrument and to technically trade another opposite or different instrument is good, but to fundamentally and technically trade the exact same instrument puts us in a position where our strategy is now not being used properly. So we want to definitely separate our technical trading from our fundamental trading, but we still want to know about fundamental trading. It helps us in our day. News traders, they collect and act upon new information about instrument values. They predict how they'll change given the new time frame. News traders are always looking for material information. If you're a news trader and you don't have material information, you have garbage. That's information that can significantly affect the instrument value. They try to find this material information before anybody else. Who they employ experts on data collection who can filter public data sources for the valuable information. They have researchers with strong investigative skills if you're going to set up a large news trading firm. But at the end of the day, they need that trader who can take that information and quickly, accurately decide that implication and act on that new information properly. What they do, they assume current prices reflect all the information except the news. The object is to estimate how values will change in response to the material information. Now, if you want to be a news trader and you're thinking about a stock that's, let's say it's $20 a share, and you say, well, that should be $25 a share, you've now taken yourself out of a news trading strategy, maybe an informed speculative, maybe a value, but whatever strategy that you've done, if it's not $20 and you believe it to be $25, you've put yourself in a position where you're weak now, because now your speed has been taken out. You just assume that this is $20, it's going to be $20. The only thing that's going to change this is the material information that you have, and that's what's going to shoot it up. You have to be confident in the information. You have to be confident in your ability to analyze, research, and trade. A success for a news trader is you act on new news better than any other trader. To use public information, you have to be quick. That information is easy to obtain and interpret. So if you're going to be a successful news trader trading on public information, be fast. Work it right. I respect how news traders trade when they do trade in a way that is quick, that is fast. Keep in mind that news traders can make more mistakes than many other traders, and that's because of that speed. But at the same time, what they get in return is they're not late to profit opportunities. They compete well with other traders who you want to be able to compete very well with other traders who trade on the exact same news. They only profit when the news has impact. Flat organizations is how they do this. Once again, they want to be able to make those quick decisions. So it goes researcher to trader and then back to trade, right out to trade. It's fast. In comparison, let's look at value trading. It's analyzer, management level, couple other levels, taking the bias out, doing a little more analytical research. They're slow, but they got the meat and potatoes of the trade. The news traders say this news is the material news. It's going to affect us right across. When we're looking at information, we want to look at information and see if it's in the price or if it's stale. If information cannot be used to forecast future price changes, it's called in the price. In the price means that all the traders are aware of this information. It's stale information. The most common mistake is to trade on stale information. A lot of new traders make that mistake. Call them pseudo-informed traders. Good news traders must know if their information is already in the price before they trade, and it rarely happens. Value traders are the best at this. Once again, they do very well in value. Value traders are one of the best fundamental traders, especially when it comes to value. Of course, that's their name. They're the value trader. I feel like an auctioneer when I come up here because I only have so much time frame in order for me to give a learning session, and it's annoying. And I come up here and to speak and just try to auction, just be an auctioneer. It's terrible. But if you're learning something, I'm going to keep doing it. News traders need to make an educated guess if the news is stale or not. So you really don't know how stale your news is. You have to make that educated guess. It comes with experience to see how stale it is. Movement, you need to watch. This is the basics. I'm not showing you exactly how to news trade. I'm showing you what news traders do. News traders versus value traders. News traders make more mistakes. Once again, news and value traders can accurately predict the direction in which it should change. So news and value traders, let's say they say it's going to go up. Well, they both know it's going to go up. But value traders say it's going to go up this far. News traders say we're not exactly sure where that ending point's going to be. So they need to figure out how to exit. Nice risk-reward ratio for news traders. Know your side. Once again, if you're a news trader, your superpower is a flash. If you're a value trader, you got the meat and potatoes out of a trade. You're taking that bias out. If you try to combine these strategies, you'll find yourself losing powers on both ends of those strategies. So value traders, be value traders. News traders, be news traders. I'm the A Trader. Come see my show. In conclusion, most of your news is going to be stale. News and value traders seem similar, but know which one you are. If you're a news trader, you want to be quick. And remember, message boards are not news. Message boards are entertainment. Entertainment only. A lot of people trade for fun, and that's great. That's exactly how trading is supposed to be, a very fun experience. You go in there and you trade, but then you're looking on the message boards because maybe the trade's going against you. And you're wondering, okay, well, what's happening? That's not news. That you can get opinion A and opinion B and everything in between. So it's not as though, of course there's going to be a right opinion up there, but there's always going to be a wrong opinion. Who knows who's on these message boards? Could be the MMs. It could be a lot of different people that you really do not want to put your emotion into a message board. Remember, when you're trading, it's no fear, no greed, no hope. Emotion shouldn't really be there. If you're having a good time, though, and it's an entertaining trade, enjoy it. But if you want to trade well and you want to start making profits, start getting your head out of that emotional game. Put your head back into the trade. Use logic. Logic is your friend. Once again, I'm the A Trader. My show is on livestream.com/The Live Trader. I like the show. I have a great time doing the show. I'm glad I'm able to come up here and teach everybody what's happening in the world of trading. I enjoy it. It's my passion, and come share that passion with me. And if I could not speak like an auctioneer through these things, I would absolutely love it. So come see the show so I can absolutely just hang out and be who I am. When you're recording something, you're too analytical. You're too analytical about it. What do I got? 50 seconds left. I made it under 10 minutes. So